Hello, everyone. I welcome you all to our lecture series on management accounting or managerial accounting, and I'm your instructor, Jamal Haider. Today, we'll talk about chapter 3, which is job order costing, and the introduction is that managers need to assign cost to the product to facilitate external financial reporting and also internal decision making. So, this chapter basically illustrates an absorption costing approach to calculate product cost known as job order costing. So to begin with our learning objective 1, that is distinguish between process costing and job order costing and identify companies that would use each costing method. So there are types of product costing system, and one is called process costing and one is called job order costing. So let's continue with this process costing. A process costing system is best used by companies that produce many units of a single product, and when one unit of output is indistinguishable from any other unit of output, this processing system is used. So because the units of output are identical, the company will probably use an average costing to determine product cost. So, what are the companies that use process costing? So, example include here is a warehouse, a manufacturer of paper products. So, when we think of a paper manufacturing, we generally think about continuous production of a single roll of paper that may eventually be cut into sizes needed by the customers. So similarly, the other companies include Renault Aluminium and the Coca-Cola. So certainly, the desire of all three of these companies is to make each unit of output consistent with the quality standard established by the company. So similarly, the Coca-Cola bottles in California should taste identical to the same product bottles in the New York or other cities on the US. The next one is job order costing. A company would use a job order costing system when many different products are produced each period. The products used or the products manufactured to customer specifications, and these are unique in nature. The unique nature of each order requires tracing or allocating cost to each job and maintain cost records for each job as well. So, what are the companies that use job order costing? So, companies that may benefit from using job order costing systems include Boeing, Bechtel International, Walt Disney. So, Boeing is an aircraft manufacturer. Bechtel is perhaps the largest international construction company. The company works on a huge projects that are unique to customer needs, while Walt Disney Studios produce movies. So you can say that each movie is unique as well, and they are not producing the same stuff. Every movie is unique. Similarly, in construction company Bichal International, each building or construction item is different from the other one. So in that companies, job order costing is advised as a costing method. This slide basically compare the process costing with the job order costing. So the first comparison is that with the job order costing, there are many jobs on during the period, whereas with the process costing, single product is produced for a long period of time. With job order costing, costs are accumulated by individual jobs, whereas with the process costing, costs are accumulated by department. The last one is with the job order costing, average unit costs are computed by the job, whereas with the process costing, the average unit are computed for a particular operation by the department. Okay, here we have a quick check. I want you to pause the video for 5 seconds and read it by yourself and try to solve it. Okay, let's solve it together. So the question is, which of the following companies would be likely to use job order costing rather than process costing? The number one is Scott Paper Company for clinics, since it's a paper product company, and we would say that they will be using the process costing. Why? Because product is not unique and they are just producing for clinics the same size stuff. Architects, they would be using job order costing because every additional architect is unique. Haynes Company only for ketchup division, the product is not unique, so they are using process costing. I should write here costing as well. The D part, caterer for a wedding reception, since not every wedding is the same, so it means each wedding reception is unique. When there is unique system or unique product or unique services, then we would be likely to use job order costing. The last one is builder of commercial fishing vessels. So since this is a commercial fishing vessel and commercial fishing vessels, they may be using process costing. Why? Because they will be building same model for commercial fishing vessels. They are not unique one according to customer needs or something. So when they are producing the same type of fishing vessels, it means they are using process costing.